Now, because of all this rain, the Lower Colorado River Authority is opening multiple floodgates at Wirtz Dam and Starkey Dam. A lot of storm runoff has flowed into the Llano River and into Lake LBJ, so opening those dams sends that water into Lake Marble Falls and eventually Lake Travis. Now, because lake levels are so low in Lake Travis, they expect to hold the floodwater there and not open any other floodgates. This video is from Starkey Dam this afternoon before any floodgates were opened, and you can see just how high the water was out there at the dam. And the LCRA could open all 10 Starkey Dam floodgates if needed. LCRA officials expect flows downstream will be very fast, and water levels will be much higher than usual heading downstream.